in the file and click on extract files. Okay, see now our software is unzipped. Open it and click on this file setup. Install it by double clicking on it. Go to this more info and run. Yes. Go to next. As I already have installed it, so I don't need to install it. Just follow the steps and it will install the software in your laptop or PC. So it is already a register version. You don't need to register it. So after installing, just go to your PC and search for Statistix software. Open it and copy your data from your Excel sheets or wherever you have your data and click on paste. After pasting your data, just go to statistics. Here you will find all the tests you can apply for analyzing your data. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.